Hey guys, go with the blues here. We tried to go live with the video we started, so we're kind of not too far along. But I got some nice broiled tomatoes, and I browned them. Put them cut side down first. A little salt and pepper, a little garlic powder. Turn them back over. Fresh garlic, Parmesan goes under the broiler, and just to finish them off. The zucchini, I cut them in half. And just salt and pepper, put them, we're doing zucchini Parmesan. That one gets a little more. But get a good amount of nice color on them. But I love this at home. I do a little bit of pasta, and all I can do here though is kind of get the extra fat off it. So we got a nice sear on them. I'll turn the fire down, and then hit them with the marinara. I love to do this at home. And the next day they're even good cold. So a nice little vegetarian dish. If you don't want to put cheese, don't put cheese. I put a little extra sauce in the bottom. I hit them with Parmesan. And we'll throw them in the oven with beef. What do you think, beef? Do you have room? So,
okay.
You good?
Yeah. I just had to move the ribs over a little bit.
Alright. Put them right in the oven.
Yep.
And, so, we're a tough situation for all of us, but with friends and family, we stick together. And come on in, Richie.
All right, I'll come in again.
And get us opened up here, man. Let's go, man. So we're cheers to
Course Light for
last
somebody.
day on the job for a while.
I'll take the course now. You want it?
Yeah. Well, now we got the shorties. Glenn, hold on.
I know. Oh.
Glenn's got to go this way.
What do we got? A little Crown?
We got Crown.
Crown will kill the Corona any day.
Every day. One of these will kill it.
So, cheers, guys. Good friends. And so Richie Delasanto, Rich's Heating and Air Conditioning. Hey, Rich, we need arms length, man.
6 feet.
Well, that's almost 6. And
Richie's short like me.
No,
so
no,
it's like,
no, hell no.
Look at it, scared.
Keisha will kill me. Keeps us a distance. No, but we're out of seriousness, a very serious illness. This coronavirus, we have no idea where it came from. I guess we do know where it came from, but nobody's saying it. And we just this country's never seen anything like it. Total shutdown. We're gonna be home. The streets are quiet. The businesses are locked down. People's habits. Coffee in the morning and socializing with friends after work, and we just somehow we'll be connected. Just keep in touch with your loved ones, your elderly folk, parents or so, or relatives or friends. They need something. Drop it off on their doorstep. You're better off not visiting with them. Because my generation, 60 and over, 60s, 70s, even more risk, 80s more risk, and so on. And we just stick together. We're going to try to come down here and cook if they let us. We want to cook for the soup kitchens. That's my specialty. It's kind of knocking out soups and kind of larger quantities of food. I was a banquet chef at the Fairmont Hotel for years, and we just do what we can, and what was asked for us. It's like John F. Kennedy said, it's not what the country can do for you, it's what you can do for your country. And God bless America. And again, we're going to try to keep the doors open to do videos. Glenn, when we can, we'll come down here and do some videos. We started a Patreon. Smokey Thompson down in Texas, suggested it to me that I should start a Patreon account. It's a membership to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. And whatever you go, it's patreon.com/Cooking with the Blues. And we're going to be keeping in touch with everybody. Probably doing some videos out of my house in the time being. A lot of private, like whoever's subscribers, members, they'll get Q&As. We'll try to do once a week. YouTube Live, YouTube videos that are just specially for our members only. Then gifts. We got T-shirts in the works and hats, and I have a live. We did some live at Daddy Jack's CDs with 8 or 9 of our bands. We got enough for 2 volumes, and if we can do it, give back merchandise. Hopefully it's beneficial and rewarding for you as it is for us, and we'll try to keep once we get back to being able to do a to-go business, B and Justin, and keep everybody, while they're off, we're going to try to make sure they have plenty of money to survive, and food and shelter and all that. So, but anyway, our zucchini's in the oven, Parmesan, and we'll be right back. Right, Richie?
Right back.
All right.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go, Jack.
All right. Yeah. There we go. That's going to go right onto the broiler. Got our tomatoes. Put them back on the heat. Those under the fire. And Richard, give me that pan there underneath that the big handle skillet. Yeah. You know when the tomatoes are done, look. See they're percolating? Yeah. Yeah, so that's enough for 2 right there. Denise would like this one, huh? Richie?
I love that one.
Gotta take one home. Yeah. Hey, so I checked this channel out today. This guy is like, I think the best chef I ever seen in my life. This guy is a master pastry chef, and he's worked in the best restaurants in France. He's German. His name is Bruno, and it's oh my God. The name is Bruno. It's I can't even think of the name of his channel. I watched 2 videos. He's a French-trained pastry chef. Went to school at and worked at La Notre, which is like I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but probably the best pastry chef in the world. And I don't know, he was involved with either they had a school or I watched him make a puff pastry, croissant, easy how to make at home. He made an unbelievable, beautiful ratatouille. The guy's a master, just absolute master chef. And I'll put the link up on this in this video. Bruno, he's from Germany, but raised in Bordeaux, France. I'll think of it hopefully. Well, looking at this dish right here kind of reminded me of it. It's similar to a ratatouille like, but you know, you can even cook it a little bit longer in the oven. It's still like a little al dente, but still good enough. Makes me look like a hack, this guy. I swear to God.
No.
Yeah. Seriously. And a lot of people do say I look like a hack, but hey, who cares, you know? As long as 1 or 2 or 3 out there like it. And so.
You can't go. Yeah.
Right here, we're not giving up. We're not giving up yet. My green onions. Now, Richie, gotta have the green onions.
Glenn and I would cut our fingers off.
That's what I said.
All right, nice little dinner.
Oh.
Serve it over a little pasta, angel hair. Nice broiled tomato, a lot of flavor in there. Like I said, you can have it al dente. You can cook the heck out of it, and you know, wilt the zucchini down a little bit further. Richie, we're gonna wrap one of those up for Denise, okay, for tonight.
Perfect.
All right. So one of our last videos here, Daddy Jack's, for the time being, and we all wish you joy and happiness at home with your family and friends. We wish you to stay healthy. Glenn Peltier on camera. Come over here, Paula. We're gonna go.
Ooh,
We're gonna go arm's length.
Oh, arm's
Like
length.
that. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
She's got too. She's got short arms.
I got short arms, just not 6 feet.
And OrsiniSausage.com, they got a whole refrigerator, freezer full of
Yep.
sausage. We're going to be sending some out to my friends out there. Smokey Thompson told me about, I can sign up with that patreon.com/Cooking with the Blues, and it's a membership service for Daddy Jack's, and you know, get us a little bit of running room here. And Orsini Sausage, Glenn Peltier on camera, can't thank you enough. Richie Del Santo, Richie's Heating and Air Conditioning
Thank you.
in the house. Peace.